how it helped them build Shanghai Disney, how it helped them build LVMH Paris, how it helped them build Daxing Airport in China, or you name it. And so these students that have gone out there in the world, they started with this simple CATIA class and went on to do amazing things.
I'm delighted to be here today for another CATIA video with Dr. David Gerber on the University of Southern California campus. Hi David, how are you?
Good morning, Jonathan.
How long has the CATIA program and the 3D Experience program been going on here in the school?
We have been using the 3D Experience platform since about 2016, when we started to gestate how we were going to integrate that into the curriculum and how we were going to build a program around some of the key concepts that are part of the platform.
Where do you see the current state of technology in the AEC industries?
I think the greatest challenge that we face is how do we change the culture, partly through education and opening people's eyes to what's out there, and how do we look for opportunities to integrate and break down silos, both human silos in terms of disciplines, but also data silos. Our ability to now house, use, and understand data. I also think the technologies are there. It's about putting them in the hands of people and empowering those people.
Have you seen any transformation in the way CATIA has addressed the industry over the years?
Again, going back 20 years, what was a revelation to me was the ability of a modeling environment like CATIA to actually produce things that were buildable, constructible. Some of the most beautiful and complex and large-scale projects around the world, wouldn't be built without a product like CATIA.
Let's talk about AI. How do you see that incorporation happening as AI matures?
I have embraced it in a number of ways. One is I encourage its use. I think more on our end of the spectrum in terms of productization. One will see more and more the auto-generation of 3D solutions. It's already happening. I think it does pose a challenge for all of us that are in this field, which is there's going to be a proliferation of tools, and then there will eventually be a condensing, let's say. So we have to be careful which tools we invest our time in, and yet there's going to be some big disruptions coming.